Unveiling the Infinix 400MP camera phone, a game-changer in mobile photography. Today, I'm diving deep to uncover exactly what's inside Infinix's insane 400MP camera phone. Let's see if it really lives up to the hype. The Infinix 400MP camera phone is making waves in the tech world, and it's easy to see why. With its staggering megapixel count and innovative camera technology, this phone is promising to revolutionize mobile photography as we know it. Phone cameras have always struggled with one major limitation: capturing high-quality images in low-light conditions. Whether you are trying to take a romantic dinner selfie or a sweeping landscape shot at dusk, the results are often subpar. And let's not forget about the maddening shutter lag and grainy textures that can ruin an otherwise perfect shot. It's clear that smartphone cameras have a lot of catching up to do when it comes to capturing life's precious moments. The struggle is real, folks. Most phone cameras compensate for their limited sensor size by using software tricks to artificially brighten and sharpen images. But we all know the result: overprocessed, unnatural-looking photos that fail to capture the essence of the moment. It's time for a change. Smartphone manufacturers have been racing to improve camera performance, from dual-lens setups to artificial intelligence-powered enhancements. But despite these advancements, there's still a long way to go before phone cameras can rival the quality of dedicated cameras. Infinix is boldly claiming to have cracked the code with their 400MP camera phone, boosting a quad-camera setup that leverages advanced sensor technology to capture unprecedented levels of detail. But what makes this camera so special? For starters, its massive 400MP sensor is a game-changer, allowing for ultra-high-resolution images that put even some professional cameras to shame. The secret to this camera's success lies in its advanced pixel binning technology, which allows it to combine the light data from multiple pixels to create stunningly bright and sharp images, even in the darkest environments. This, combined with its advanced noise reduction algorithms, results in photos that are simply breathtaking. But how does it compare to the competition? The truth is, most flagship phones have camera systems that are vastly inferior to Infinix's 400MP behemoth. With its sheer megapixel count, advanced camera technology, and intelligent software processing, this phone is in a league of its own. Check out this stunning footage captured with the Infinix 400MP camera. The level of detail is simply insane. Whether you are zooming in on a distant subject or capturing sweeping vistas, this camera delivers results that will leave you speechless. You can practically smell the freshly cut grass in this shot. In this next shot, you can see the camera's incredible low-light performance in action. The way it captures the subtle gradations of light and shadow is nothing short of phenomenal. The results speak for themselves. The Infinix 400MP camera phone is a powerhouse of mobile photography. Whether you are a seasoned shutterbug or just a casual snapper, this camera will elevate your photography game to new heights. In conclusion, the Infinix 400MP camera phone is an absolute powerhouse, and its camera technology is a true game-changer. With its incredible megapixel count, advanced pixel binning tech, and intelligent software processing, this phone is poised to revolutionize the world of mobile photography. So, what do you think? Are you as stoked about the Infinix 400MP camera phone as I am? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my other videos for more tech insights and reviews.